Hello everybody, FAFA Weekend Adventures here, and today I got me the Flip Automatic Jack Foot 6. There's also a 4, a little shorter, and you can pause it and you can read everything that it does here. No need to put wood because the foot plate is 6 wide. Also tells you here if you want to read the specs, the 4 and the 6, which one you should use it for. And when you put it down, the foot automatically comes down. When you raise it up, it comes up, which will eliminate having to take this off and finding somewhere to store it. And then when you get there, putting it on saves you time. I'm gonna see how high it goes, how far back it goes. You might have to drill a hole. I don't think on mine you will. If you do, then maybe I will not install it. But let's go ahead and remove the pin once I jack it up. But guess what? It's starting to rain. Okay, now I'm starting to put it on the Jeep here. Once this lifts up, I can go ahead and remove the foot plate. First thing I'm going to do here is remove the ground, pull the pin. As you can see, it still needs to come up some more. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the flip out of the flipping box. Yeah, and it only comes in red. If I really like it, I'm thinking to get it powder coated, probably in silver. It's starting to rain, so hopefully I can finish the video. And the wind's starting to pick up some. Here's some parts. I don't want to lose anything. And this is what it looks like here. So it'll go here, like I said, it'll go up this way. It'll go here. And as you pull it up, it's supposed to go up like this and go back down like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the instructions real quick and go ahead and install this before it rains. Here's the installation. Instructions. You might have to, like I said, depending on the size of yours. Step 1, step 2 if you want to pause and read it. Yeah, but be my guess. Holds up to 4,000 pounds. Hope I'm not going too fast for you, but like I said, just pause and read it real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera and read it in YouTube time, 2 seconds. Okay, it's drizzling, but who cares? Gotta get this video done for you guys. Okay, so the parts that come on, you're gonna take both of these. You're gonna stick in first the round one. These are washers. You gotta make sure they're freely. If they're not freely, they get stuck. It's not gonna be any good. You're gonna put the other one on. And what this is gonna do is, this is what's gonna stop this from going up and down. Then you have these other parts here. You're gonna take one, insert here. You're gonna go back here. See if I can do this. Let me lower the tube here. Alright, as you can see, the hole's right there. I'm going to do it this way. This is the way I always install it. So Can't find the hose. Alright, here we go. Once I put it through, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other washer and put it through here. And then I'm gonna grab the pin and I'm gonna stick it in here. Alright, and technically you gotta lubricate there. Test the flip operation by retracting the jack. Make sure the flip foot rotates to 90 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise it. As you can see, it's raising. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully it'll work and not break. Hey, look. Ah, that's cool, that's cool. And it's a little tiny bit low, not really. It's not a big deal for me. And then, when you're gonna put it back down, so now guess what? You just saved yourself an extra 10 minutes of having to find this ugly foot. Looking for it, finding the pin, trying to install it. Now the only thing you gotta look here is when you're on dirt, just make sure that the foot actually goes down all the way. You can see it'll get kind of stuck, but it pushes it. Look, you see that? And what you want to do then, if it gets stuck, lift it up a little bit, just straighten it out until it goes all the way down. And as you can see, it starts to jack up the vehicle. And that's all, folks. That's all it takes for the flip jack. Like I said, I like it. Pretty cool. Eliminates having to carry around this ugly looking thing. Anything that's red, you can get it painted. But I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, you're gonna leave from the park, put it onto your vehicle, and pick it up on its own. Until it gets to the top. Care about looking at the chicken leg. And once it gets to the top, it'll stow away by itself. Hope you liked it. Like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more things to come.